Today in a Kent County courtroom, a jury is seated in the trial for the father of Jared Chance, the man who killed and dismembered Ashley Young back in November of 2018.
According to prosecutors, James Nance and his wife, Barbara, helped their son move body parts and hide evidence. Barton Dieters has been in court all day long, and he joins us now with the latest.
This jury of 7 men and 7 women, picked out of a pool of more than 80, was seated a little more than an hour ago after several hours of questioning from lawyers for the prosecution and the defense, and also after one of the parents took a plea deal.
Is it your own choice to plead no contest?
Barbara Chance pleaded no contest to charges of perjury and accessory after the fact, charges that carry a maximum penalty of life in prison, but she's expected to spend less than a year behind bars. Prosecutors say she and her husband, James Chance, moved a box containing Young's remains, as well as tools used to cut her up, from the scene of her murder in southeast Grand Rapids to their home in Holland. Police found the saw used to dismember Young underneath a couch at the Holland home, while her other body parts were found at the Franklin Street apartment. Her head and hands were never found. In court, Barbara Chance learned she'll face no more than a year in Kent County Jail when sentenced next month. But that could change if the judge decides there are other factors he should consider. Among those considerations could be whether she cooperates in the prosecution of her husband. James Chance is a retired police officer from Rock Island, Illinois, and that, the prosecutor says, means he knew what he was doing was violating the law. The defense has not tipped its hand yet, but James Chance was active in advising his attorney on which jurors should be excused and which kept. If convicted, James Chance could face the same sentence his son received, 100 to 200 years in prison. At 6, more about the evidence we'll be hearing in this case over the coming week, as well as an argument about whether a picture of Ashley Young should be used in this trial. In the Kent County Courthouse, Barton Dieters, News 8.